name is Liam and I'm 9 years old.
Okay. And when did you start skating?
September 2022.
And when did you start skating the skate park?
About 8 months ago.
Just get to the top. Just jump up to the top. You don't have to. Just start on the top. Do you want me to hold your hand? Doing it? I can hold your hand if you want to start here. Okay. Okay, that's fine. You can use the lines. A bit further. Halfway. There you go, right there. Now when you jump off, hold your feet in the air. Don't look for the concrete. Just hold them there and then land like a cat. And instead of straightening your legs, yes.
Instead of doing that, you just kind of...
You stay bent.
So...
Yes, that's what you do. That's what you do. You get it? Great. I'm very proud of you for understanding that. Good job. Better. That was...
But I gotta understand that
See, and you're jumping way past that if you start on here. So I'd say you're gonna jump, maybe not right on the mark, but you're gonna jump around that mark. So just use that mark. Just use that mark. But you gotta start from right. You gotta wait till the last minute. Don't jump from here. Don't jump from here. Don't even jump from here. Jump from right here. Okay? Yes. Do you feel that? Perfect. 8 months, that's it. Wow, that's really impressive. Can you tell me, did you start on flat first? Did you start at the rink or did you start outside?
I started at the rink and then I went outside.
Okay, so you started at the skating rink? All right, the local one that you have here? The one that's local?
Yep,
okay.
right there.
Okay. I come up? Yeah.
Yeah, baby. Yeah, baby. You got me high. My hands hanging out. This is all about. You got me
That was great. Do you feel like you made a lot of progress in those 8 months before I met you?
Kind of.
Okay, because you were doing it a lot by yourself, right? Okay. Now, what's your favorite tricks here?
Dropping.
The what?
Dropping.
Oh, you love dropping in. Wow, okay. Can you tell me a little bit about how you feel about his progress and from when he first started skating to now?
I feel great about it, especially with having somebody show him how to do stuff with proper form. He's taught himself everything that he knows so far, and it's been messy. it's been a little messy. He's been doing great, but this I think gave him a huge boost of confidence.
Do you feel good about it?
Yes.
This isn't a flat. This is ink. So you have to go here and be here the whole time. You stand up, that's what's going to happen.
That's what I did. I started like,
Right. Yes.
I feel
Yes.
like I was landing like I did over there.
So your hands have to push like Superman. You literally have to do it, okay?
Look, bleeding. Instead of standing back flat, let's go right. We're just gonna.
Yes. Now do you understand? Now do you understand why we practice that over there before coming up here? Do you understand why we continued to practice that until I drilled it? I drilled it in you. Yes. That's what I prefer. That's what I prefer. But because you showed me you could do it efficiently here, I wanted to see if you could do it from back there. You're really close to being all the way to the end. be that far away from the end. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Nice. Come over here. I want you to look at this. Kofi. See that? Okay, look at where it ends. Alright? Now, come over here. This one, did you see where that one ends? This is a bigger drop on this side than that side. That's why I had you go that way first before coming this way. So guess what? After you do that way successfully, guess which way we're going to go? Great job!
So I found out the difference, and I feel it now,
Okay.
and it scared me.
Exhale. the skate clinic that we had here. What part did you like the best? Do you remember everything we did?
Stalls.
You like the stalls. You weren't stalling before? What? He was not stalling at all before.
He was trying. He was just getting to where he could get his wheels up to the coping on that little quarter pipe over there.
He kept on
but
falling.
He kept on falling. He
What?
had not.
I
once
didn't know
finished
that. What? That? Oh, that makes me feel so good. Thank you, Liam.